Excellent work so far. Let's finish strong. I want to talk briefly about the final project. The final project is small, important, and hopefully fun. And so let me give you a little bit of context. For me, the final project wants to push a skill that we haven't really directly addressed yet in the course. And that is the very top of this triangle here. Let me give you a little bit of background. This triangle is referred to as Bloom's taxonomy. And it takes all of these critical thinking skills that we've been working on and it puts them into a hierarchy. And so you can look at this and you can think, oh yeah, we were applying information. Obviously, you guys have done a lot of analysis. You guys evaluated when you did those rhetorical analyses earlier. So we've done a lot of these skills. But the one that we haven't really pinpointed yet is the one at the very top. That is to create. To produce new or original work that has value. And so this now is where project number 4 comes in. For project number 4, I'm going to ask you to create. And now I'm also going to put a little bit of a spin on it. What I want you to do is to create something that could potentially be useful in this course in the future, to create for the next round of students. And so let me be specific. If you take a look at the prompt, you'll see that in project 4, I'm literally asking you to create a major assignment for English 202. Here's the gist of it. Throughout the course, we've had 3 major assignments. We did the rhetorical analyses in the op-ed, we did the discourse analysis, you just did this research project. And so in doing those 3 projects, we were really working on specific skills. And if you look at this document here, I've given you a link to it. These are the skills that we're working on. And all of these skills and outcomes, these are the ideas that are embedded in the course. We can't change those. And so we have developed projects that are going to help us get at these skills. Now, my thinking is that there's a number of ways of getting at these skills, some of which may work better than others. There may be other projects we could do in the English 202 course that may garner more buy-in from students, or that may push the creativity of students. And those projects would still allow us to get at these skills. And so that's what I'm interested in for project 4. I'm asking you to design a major assignment, to think in a creative way about an assignment that would help students work on these skills and also do other things as well. And when I say other things as well, what I mean specifically is I want you to design an assignment that's going to make sure that students can learn skills that they can take with them in their future academic career. But I also want you to think, when you design the assignment, to provide students the opportunity or the chance to see how these skills can be valuable outside of the classroom. In other words, away from just their academic future. And also, you need to make sure that when you do design this assignment, you're being fair to the requirements or the mandates of the course. That is, you have to get at some of the ideas that are on the performance objectives and the student learning outcomes. And so those are the rules of the game. But I invite you to be as creative as you would like to be. And so specifically what you're going to give me is you're going to give me 2 documents. One of the documents is going to be the assignment itself, and it literally is going to look like this prompt. You're going to have a background, you're going to have a task, you're going to have details, and you're going to provide me with a criteria for evaluation. And this is where the creativity comes in. And then you're going to give me another document as well. And the second document is just going to provide paragraphs, like a single paragraph that answers each of the 3 questions on here. And my first question to you asks how the assignment matches with the criteria of the course. And so you can take a look at the language here. The second question asks how it connects with the academic future of the students. And here you can provide your own examples. And the third question asks how it can help students see value in the skills and concepts of a course like this outside of the classroom. And so those are the requirements, and I now invite you to be creative and to have fun. If you have questions, let me know. Take care.